The aim of our Introduction to Python course is to give people an introduction to the programming language Python. Now the course is 4 hours long, so you certainly aren't going to be a fluent expert programmer by the end of it. It takes years to become fluent in a language. It's the same as a spoken language, I suppose. However, what the 4-hour course will do is it will give you an introduction to the basic concepts, so an overview of the programming language. We'll be playing some games and introducing you to basic items like lists, dictionaries, data structure types, doing some maths in Python. We will also be looking at examples that are relevant to your work or your daily life, so that you leave the course having seen something relevant to what you want to do. We will point you in the direction of helpful resources. If you type in to a search engine help with something like Python, you will end up on a lot of quite specific forums sometimes. So at the end of the Python course you will receive a set of course notes that has some links to some really good websites on there where you can go for further help. And on the 4-hour course we use the web-based browser REPL, so that all of your Python scripts are stored online. You don't need to download anything onto your computers, although I can talk you through that if that's something that you want to do. A lot of the course is about debugging, and that is the same with any language. It is one of the most important skill sets when programming. I want to show people that coding is possible for anybody, and it is daunting and it does seem scary, but once you get going and you do something over and over again, repetition is key to learning, I think you'll find it really enjoyable. So join me for 4 hours where you can learn a new skill, and at the end of those 4 hours you will know whether it's something that you want to pursue or you don't. To book, visit the website www.stemventuri.org, and I look forward to meeting some of you soon.